with another drink for you. This one is called a Pomegranate Cosmo. So it takes vodka, triple sec, half of a lime, and just one of our flavors, which is the Flavor Apprentice Pomegranate Deluxe. Only 2 drops. You can go a little more. I use 4 drops in mine because I like the flavor. So here we go. You fill up your ice shaker with ice, and you're gonna go with 2 shots of vodka of your choice, whichever one you like. And that's about an 8 count. There you go. And then half of a shot of triple sec or control if you like. So it's just basically a 2 count. So there you go. And then you're gonna add your Pomegranate Deluxe by TFA. I'm gonna go with 4 drops of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And you shake it up. And oh, almost forgetting the lime juice. Half of a lime. Here we go. Squeeze half of a lime in there. There we go. You can't forget the lime. It gives it a nice citrus flavor, you know? So then you're gonna shake it up, and you're going to pour this into a chilled martini glass. There we go. There we go. All right, it's not all the way full, but that is a normal martini size. This is actually an oversized martini glass. So there is your Pomegranate Cosmo. I hope you make it. I hope you enjoy it. So cheers. Guys, if you like this drink, click below for the next one, Pineapple Coconut Margarita.